Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be creating the look I just showed you guys. So first off, I've primed my eyelids with my Snazzaro white face paint and I've thoroughly blended that out. Once I'm done with that, I'm going into my first shade, which is this shade called Virtuous from my Star Crushed Mineral Eyeshadows. Then after that, I'm going to go into this shade called Audacious Plum, and I'm going to blend that on my crease line, blending each color into each other so there are no harsh lines. So now I'm just going to cut out my crease. I'm cutting out a full cut crease now, going back with that Snazzaro white face paint. So once I'm done cutting out my crease fully, I'm going to go into this first shade, still from that BH Cosmetics 120 first edition palette, and I'm just going to apply this. It's a very light pretty blue eyeshadow. So I'm just going to start packing this shade on the innermost corners of my eyelids, making sure I press the eyeshadow in. Then now going in with this, it's a bit darker than the first shade of blue that I originally used. I'm just going to use that in the center part of my eyelids and blending each color. And if you notice, I'm not taking the eyeshadows up to the crease line. I'm just leaving a gap in between the crease line and the eyeshadows. So now I'm going into another shade of blue, which is a deeper shade of blue, and I'm just going to apply that in the outermost corner of my eye and in the V or the tail of the full cut crease. Just going to make sure I blend each color into each other so there are no harsh lines at all. Then I'm going back into that Snazzaro white face paint and I'm just basically re-whitening or brightening up that white part. And at the same time, I'm taking some really sparkly glitter and I'm just going to pack the glitter on that white part of the eye. So it just gives you this really pretty shimmery look on the top part of that cut crease area. So now I'm just going to draw up my wing. So now I wanted to add a bit more color to the wing liner, so I took my Haggai and Esther makeup seal and I just applied it on some yellow eyeshadow and applied it at towards the tail end of the black wing. So I've popped up my lashes, I've done my full face. So to finish off the eyes, I'm going back into that Snazzaro white face paint and applying it on my lower lash line. Then taking that blue eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply that blue eyeshadow just right on top of that Snazzaro white face paint. Then I popped on some falsies on my lower lash line, while I had already drawn some or dotted some spots on the purple part of the eyeshadow look. So it just gives it this kind of night sky-ish look. That was the inspiration for this look actually. Alright guys, so I popped on my wig, changed my top. So now I'm just going to go into the lips. So originally I put some studs in the center of my eye, but I wasn't feeling it, so I took them out. But anyways, I'm going into my black opal pencil in Zen, and it's the lipstick pencil in Zen, and I'm just going to line my lips with my Cage Cosmetics lip liner in Cocoa. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love how fun and colorful this look came out. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and yeah, let me know what you think. Alright guys, until my next video, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.
Mwah.